Hello everybody, welcome to Gully Gossip. I am Nikhil
I'm Akshit.
and today we'll be reviewing or rather previewing the fourth test match between India versus England. Akshit, कैसा लग रहा है?
भाई अच्छा तो लग रहा है.
Hmm,
I'm excited. I mean, because I think this is a do or die match for us.
correct.
We have to win this.
Correct.
Otherwise, if we lose, then we are out. Series is lost. Yet another series lost under Gautam Gambhir.
यार मुझे लग रहा है this will be Gaba 2 because
Oh.
भाई जिस तरह से हम गए थे अभी हम उस पर भी आएंगे जिस तरह से इंजरी से हम
अरे
गुजर के गए थे गाबा
Correct.
उसी तरह का कुछ अभी लग रहा है. आई थिंक लेट्स सी हाउ इट पैन्स आउट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अस ऑफ.
I mean, injuries की बात तूने करी दी है तो let's talk about injuries.
Absolutely.
So I think as far as I know, correct me if I'm wrong, we have Akashdeep under doubt.
Hmm.
We have we know that Nitish Kumar Reddy is out of the series.
Yes.
We know there's a issue with Rishabh Pant.
Yes.
If he can keep or not, we don't know. And Arshdeep Singh is also out.
Hmm.
I think यही चार है. Is
हाँ.
there anyone else?
And yeah, and obviously Bumrah का nobody knows.
If Bumrah is going to play.
I think he has to. उस पे भी आ ही जाते हैं because I feel like Bumrah
Yeah,
has to
I
play. If he doesn't play,
Correct.
थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाएगा, especially with all the injuries we've had.
And because we don't have a pace attack without Bumrah right now.
And if we lose, then we lose. We're done.
Yeah,
Like
this is
it doesn't
the-
matter.
I think this is where Bumrah comes in because he has to think for the team now.
And he has had 8 days to rest as well.
Yes.
So that's.
I think all videos that I've seen from experts like Akash Chopra का भी अगर video देखो, so everyone is talking about that Bumrah should play this match.
Correct.
And if we win, then he can rest in the next one because then we can try to win that one without Bumrah.
Yeah, and we have more motivation
Right.
and drive to win that. If it's the series is
Yes.
on the line, then
Yes.
obviously it is now as well. But
Correct.
we are under more pressure right now,
Correct.
and we'll go in with momentum in the next test match because there's not much of a break between the fourth and the fifth test match.
What do you think about the debut call up for debutant Anshul Kamboj, and do you think he fits into the 11?
From one AK to the other, I feel like from Anil Kumble to Anshul Kamboj, it is very dicey because I don't see him as a long format bowler. He has a good action. He has a decent amount of pace, not great pace either. We will miss Akashdeep and Arshdeep Singh potentially because I think this wicket was tailor-made for Arshdeep Singh.
भाई तो हर मैच के लिए यही बोलता है.
यार
Arshdeep Singh के लिए इसने हर मैच में यही बोला, this wicket is tailor made for Arshdeep Singh.
Because he's such a good bowler, he has not got the exposure for this format of the game, and he needs to get that exposure because he's a quality bowler. We cannot just restrict him to T20s. Even in ODIs, we haven't given him much of a chance. We've chosen Harshit Rana over him multiple times.
Oh, and to continue on that, why do you
Yes.
think Harshit Rana was not called back and Anshul Kamboj was called?
I don't know, man. What is going on with the selectors? Ajit Agarkar है ना? Selectors
I
में
think
भी.
so, वही है.
Yeah, and I don't.
अजीत अगरकर तो हाँ ठीक है, अजीत अगरकर.
Right. But what do you? चलो ठीक है. ये तो ब्लंडर है ही है. I think Harshit Rana should be playing instead of Kamboj because he has more exposure, Australian conditions, foreign conditions, and conditions में भी आएंगे later. But what do you think of भाई the fact that Nitish Kumar Reddy won't be playing the series?
It's crazy because I think Nitish Kumar Reddy grew into his own in the last test match.
Exactly.
He bowled well, he batted decently,
Yeah.
and I think everybody had expectations from him going into this match. And now that he's not playing, I think we have to go back to Shardul Thakur.
Correct.
We have no other options.
And you look at it, he was such a relief for Team India. In the last test match, he bowled around 20 to 25 overs. Both innings combined.
And he
Like,
got wickets too.
exactly, at
And
crucial stages.
And he bowled at a decent economy.
Yeah.
Test matches के हिसाब से, I think he bowled well.
Correct. And even though his batting was not up to par, I would say he was still a pretty good lower order batsman.
And I think this wicket would have been better for him because the wicket is a bit damp, slow conditions है. So I think in these conditions, a medium pacer like Nitish Kumar Reddy would have done pretty well.
And अब आई गए wicket पे, so let's move on to the
Let's move to the
conditions.
conditions. I think historically पहले how Old Trafford used to be, थोड़ा bounce होता था pitch में, assistance मिलता था, fast pace होता था. I think the reports that I've read in the past few years, it has become sort of a slowish damp wicket
Okay.
where the pacers do get a bit of assistance, but वो bounce, वो zip नहीं मिलता है.
Okay.
So spinners also come into play when conditions get a bit dry because the wicket is slow, it's damp, and अगर cracks खुल जाए उस पे, so it's a dream for spinners.
Yeah, I feel, going to that point, there's a reason why a lot of test matches here have been drawn. I think
Yes.
the stat was out of 9-5, we faced
5
draws
draws and 4
and
results.
4 results.
And
So,
interestingly, in the past 20 matches that have been played here, 17 teams who won the toss have elected to bat first.
Oh, interesting. Despite the swinging conditions on day one.
Yes.
Because बारिश होगी तो swinging conditions होंगे,
Hmm.
seaming conditions हो सकते हैं maximum.
हाँ,
on
and
day
another reason is I think कि because बारिश होती है,
हाँ.
they're like कि हम जितनी बैटिंग कर सकते हैं कर लेंगे
हाँ.
और worst result क्या draw.
Hmm. But you know what? I think they're also afraid to bat on the fourth innings because in the fourth innings,
Probably.
when cracks open up, it is very difficult to bat. And spinners like, again, we'll go on to Kuldeep Yadav, will be if Kuldeep Yadav doesn't get an opportunity here, I think he won't play the rest of the series.
I don't see him fitting into the 11.
True. और कुछ है before we go on to the playing 11?
I think थोड़ा हम weather की बात कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Because from what I read, on day 1, 65% rain is predicted.
Hmm.
On day 2, it's 85.
Hmm.
Day 3 and 4 is okay, and day 5 is again 40%. So, I mean, we might be headed for an inevitable draw if this follows.
True, which is why I think more so Bumrah needs to play because we need a strike bowler in these conditions where we just give him the ball and he gets a wicket.
Correct.
And that's what Bumrah has been for us for a while. And I think you're right about the part where Kuldeep Yadav may or may not get to play because Jadeja and Sundar have to play.
Yes.
So we're already playing two spinning all-rounders, and I think
Mhm.
we need the all-rounders.
Correct. Yes.
Based on how our batting is, especially if Rishabh Pant does not play and
Yes.
उसकी जगह ध्रुव जुरैल आ जाता है as a
Mhm.
replacement.
Okay, so do you think if Rishabh Pant is injured, should he play as a specialist batsman or should he get dropped? I mean, rested?
I think Rishabh Pant should get rested. I agree with Ravi Shastri.
Yes.
I do not agree with Akash Chopra on this.
I agree with Ravi Shastri. If you're injured, you don't play. It's as
Yeah.
simple as that.
मेरा यही मानना है वही because see he's a quality player. Now you talk about Bumrah. Why doesn't he play all the test matches?
Hmm.
Similarly, Pant, okay, series on the line, but then you have to look at what's ahead also.
Correct.
And ऐसा नहीं है that this is the last series we're going to play this year. There's a lot
Mhm.
more test matches to come.
Correct.
And he's a great asset, but Dhruv Jurel is no less of a batsman. He is very firm in the middle
Yeah.
order.
And
He's not as attacking, but he can play out the long
He
innings.
even scored runs in the matches against England A, I think.
Yeah.
When India A played against England A, practice matches जो थे, उसमें he and KL Rahul played very well.
Correct.
करुण नायन के साथ 200 मारे थे, जिसकी वजह से वो टीम में आया.
उससे
And
भी
I
आ ही
think उसकी
जाते हैं.
बात हुई गई है तो.
Yes.
Do you want to talk about Karun Nair separately or do you want to keep it with?
Let's just talk about all players as they come.
Okay.
So-
So okay, let's start. What is your playing 11 for today?
Okay. My playing 11 for today will be. Damn. Okay. I'll mostly batting order will be the same, but if it were up to me, ideal situation, I'll change it. So I'll have Yashasvi Jaiswal, KL Rahul open. Then I'll have. For some reason, my gut feeling is saying Sai Sudarshan should play instead of Karun Nair.
Get him back.
Yes,
After he was out?
get him back because I feel like he wasn't given enough of a chance. I think
Okay.
if he's given more of a chance, he will play better. And the other thing is, okay, so that's number 3, Sai Sudarshan. Then at number 4, you have Shubman Gill, obviously. Number 5, where Pant was playing before that,
Mhm.
I feel Jurel will come in number 5. Then number 6, because Nitish Kumar Reddy and Rishabh Pant are not there, वो middle order, low middle order बहुत ही खराब लग रहा है.
Lord Thakur.
नहीं अभी टाइम है उसमें. So number 6 Jadeja, number 7 Sundar, number 8 number 8 Shardul Thakur, and then we'll have number 9 Bumrah. Most likely we should because
Bumrah से तो
otherwise.
open कराना चाहिए यार.
And then after DSP number 10 and number 11 it seems like it will be Anshul Kamboj because they've got him in. Otherwise, if they were thinking of Prasidh Krishna, they would not have brought in Anshul Kamboj. But they did, so I'm assuming that he will play.
No, I think they could have gotten him in because अगर मान ले किसी और पेसर को भी इंजरी होगी तो कोई तो चाहिए बंदा जो फिट हो.
Yeah, that's a good point, but I think he'll play over Prasidh Krishna because Prasidh Krishna did not do well and he got a chance, so they might give the debutant a chance. Also, what this does is it gives England no idea what
Right.
Anshul Kamboj is like
Right.
because they have not played the IPL most of them
Correct.
and they haven't faced Anshul Kamboj before, but they have faced Prasidh Krishna.
Prasidh
before.
Krishna.
So what do you
I think that's a decent playing 11. I also मेरी भी almost same ही है. But I think dear cricket, give me one more chance. We'll get another chance. But I think this will be his last chance because इसके बाद if we win this match and he doesn't play well, I think he still gets dropped. If he plays and we win this match, but he doesn't score, he gets dropped. Because now, then it will be series on the line. And if we lose and he plays average, then also he gets dropped.
You know
what I think.
I think if we win, they won't drop him.
No, I think they will drop him because simple सी बात है यार कि if a player has averaged below 20-25 in a 5-match series and it's their first chance, then they don't get a callback until something goes terribly wrong with the team. कि तुम्हें और कोई नंबर 3 का मिलता ही नहीं है, तब तुम उसको शायद वापस बुला लो. But अभी बहुत बैठे हैं यार. There are a lot of people waiting on the bench. ये तो सिर्फ 2 हम देख रहे हैं, साई सुदर्शन और गरुण नायक जिनको लेके गए हैं. बाकी तो इंडिया में यार देयर आर भर के लोग हैं. सो आई थिंक फॉर दिस मैच माय प्लेइंग लाइन विल बी सिमिलर. KL and Yashasvi open, Karan Nair at 3, Shuman Gill at 4, Pant if he is fit at 5, otherwise Jurel at 5, at 6 Jadeja, 7 Sundar, 8 again I have to play Shardul Thakur, so I will play Shardul Thakur. 9-10 Bumrah and Siraj, and at 11 I think they're going to go with Prasidh Krishna because he's the experienced bowler and they've taken him there for a reason. And to get another bowler from India and not play Prasidh Krishna who's already there, I think it'd be unfair to him.
Fair enough. Yeah.
So I think मेरी playing 11 ये रहेगी.
Yeah, I feel I get that playing 11 not very different obviously because we don't have those many players.
Yeah,
it's like what happened at Kawa. We don't have more players actually. If you look at it. Batsman भी एक और
सारे तो injured हो गए.
We only have Sudarshan and Easwaran as batsmen.
Correct.
और कोई है भी नहीं. So yes, I think this is a good playing 11. Prasidh Krishna, I'm not sure as much.
Yeah, I think he should get the nod over Kamboj because he's been there and he's the more experienced player. So experienced player को तो back करना चाहिए.
Experience क्या है यार?
थोड़ा बहुत तो है, जितना भी है.
But चलो ठीक है. हो गया. I think हमारा.
How do you think this match is going to go?
Predictions.
Yes.
Predictions are very tricky because mostly what I've said so far hasn't come true except Gill's double century. Only that came true, but
KL has hit 2 centuries.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Because of
मेरी दुआ लग गई KL को.
Okay, so my prediction is that obviously India wins this test match, but we'll have to pull a big miracle to win that. I think it will be Kaba version 2 because
we have to win with everybody injured basically.
Exactly. And okay, so I feel like India will win and again the toss will go to Ben Stokes and वो जो करता है करे वो तो होना ही है. That's going to happen this whole series. If we win this toss, then it's a sign. Okay, remember that.
कि हम हारेंगे.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा. I think we'll definitely win this test match and चलो I don't want to say too much because if I say too much then वो नहीं.
But wait, who do you think will top score for India in this match?
Oh, that's a good one.
मेरा आंसर सबको पता है.
Yes.
लेकिन तेरा आंसर सबको नहीं पता है.
I think it will be Yashasvi Jaiswal.
हाँ?
Yes.
उसको तो हम गाली दे रहे थे.
Exactly.
टेस्ट मैच के बाद.
Because हम उसको गाली दे रहे हैं. Because we have been after his life, after all the dropped catches. I think this will be his redemption test match where he'll score at least 1 century, or if not, a double century.
हैं? If not, then double century के बाद ही double century बनती है भाई.
I know, but either वो century भी out हो जाएगा या तो सीधा double century बनाएगा.
ठीक है. I think KL Rahul will top score again.
What about sorry, go ahead.
Because he has to.
Obviously. But what about the wickets?
I think if Bumrah plays, then he's going to be our top wicket taker as usual.
I actually disagree. I feel Bumrah's role in this test match will be taking wickets when we need them. So I don't think he'll be the majority wicket holder in this test match. I think if Kamboj plays and he's in good rhythm, obviously he has to be fit also because in the IPL he wasn't very fit.
Correct.
If all these things work out from what we are seeing, he'll be the top wicket taker because he is the one bowler who they have not seen the whole series and he'll be a surprise package for them if he is fit and he is in good rhythm.
Correct. So, I think let's see what happens on day 1.
Yes.
We'll get you the review as soon as we can.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
If you want India to win, don't forget to comment. And don't forget to like the video and press the subscribe button. We'll be posting and reviewing all the days of the test match and we hope you watch it and yeah, thank you.
And don't forget to comment. KL Rahul is the best.
Yes. All right.
Thank you very much.